Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stash on a Donut SMP server. First, choose a discrete location, perhaps underground or in a remote area, to begin construction. Next, gather robust materials such as obsidian or deep slate to ensure your stash is well protected. Finally, carefully plan the layout to optimize space for your valuable items and enhance its defensive capabilities against potential raiders. For robust protection, dig at least 20 to 30 blocks deep to create a multi-layered base. Utilize blast-resistant blocks such as obsidian or reinforced deep slate for all structural elements, including walls, floors, and ceilings. Consider adding hidden entrances, piston doors, or false pathways to deter intruders and keep your valuables safe from discovery. Efficient storage is key for any successful stash. Use shulker boxes to condense many items into one inventory slot, making them highly portable. Organize your resources logically within labeled chests, grouping similar items together. Develop a system for quick access to your most essential gear, like enchanted tools or combat supplies, ensuring you are always prepared. To further secure your stash, consider advanced defenses like redstone traps or automated systems to deter intruders. Disguise your entrance meticulously, blending it seamlessly with natural terrain features such as caves or mountainsides. Crucially, avoid leaving any valuable blocks or suspicious patterns near the surface that could indicate a hidden base, maintaining ultimate secrecy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.